If you follow my channel, then a couple days ago you would have noticed that I posted a video about garden boxes. I made some garden boxes for the front yard that go in on a little slant, and I had so much fun doing it. Now I can't stop. I'm just coming up with DIY projects to distract myself from other things that I really need to do. But the nice thing about that is you guys get to benefit because you can see my creations, and hopefully that'll give you ideas for making your own. In this video, if you haven't guessed, we're going to be talking about hipster garden boxes made from pallet wood. And let's hop to it. Quick disclaimer. Some people say that pallet wood isn't the best for building garden boxes with because it leaches certain chemicals into the soil. I'm not that worried about it because even if it does leach, it only leaches within a few inches. And I'm not even confident that I'm going to be planting food to eat in this box, so I just kind of disregarded that. The other thing is that I got these pallets from an organic coffee shop who told me that they were certified organic. Whether or not that's BS, I don't know, but it sure does give me a little bit more peace of mind. That aside, I think this box looks really cool. It's a very simple design, as you saw from the time lapse. This box is basically 4 feet long and 2 feet wide. That's the side. That's the long ways. For this project in particular, I tried to use the ugliest sides of the wood facing out. So for example, if this board, if the other side looks slightly better, I chose to use the knotted ugly side facing this way because I thought it contributed to the rustic chic of this whole thing. So I threw it together very, very quickly. The boards are roughly 20 inches long, although I didn't measure them too meticulously because, like I said, I like that kind of rough look with cracks. You can see on the inside, same basic thing. The one thing I did is if there were really, really big holes like this, I patched them with another piece of pallet wood so that my soil wouldn't spill out of the box. It's a very simple design, as you can see. I think it turned out really beautiful. I'm really stoked on this thing. I think it's gonna make the house look a lot cooler, and whatever I choose to plant in this puppy, I think it's gonna be a happy plant because I put a lot of love in this box. So go find yourself some pallets for free. Spend a couple hours working with your hands. Make a planter box, grow some food or some beautiful flowers, and you'll feel immensely rewarded. And it's a great way to unplug too, because we spend way too much time online these days. I know I do. One more thing, just to protect the wood a little bit, make it last a little longer, I put some boiled linseed oil on it. Let's see if I can find where that is. Here it is. Boiled linseed oil. And it's a natural, non-toxic oil that you can put on wood that protects it, it seals it, and makes it water resistant. I talk about it more in my other planter box video. If you feel inspired to build some garden beds, make sure you check out my other planter box video. It has some really good tips about weed management and gopher control, that kind of thing. And I'll put a link to it in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.